what is the definition of overscheduling? So as we say, some is just good and there's a lot's too much. What is that? What is that too much?
In the paper, they just looked at that for like hours, right? Like more is worse. More is worse, and particularly if you could take off the last hour of whatever you had, you'd probably be better off, is what their analysis is showing. I think a better way to think about it in your own family is to like ask yourself and your kids, right? Just to ask like, is this feeling like too much? If we had to give up one, if we went to one less thing, what would that feel like? And I think if the feeling is like, like your whole body, just like, that's probably telling you that you could sort of scale back. My guess is for most people in this community, because of what this community is, you'd probably be better taking one thing off the plate, no matter what that thing was. And I think even if you think in your own bodily sensation of what that would mean, especially if you're not high school kids who have their license and are driving themselves, but are younger kids that you're shuttling around, imagine what that would do to your feeling of time affluence and the happiness that comes from it, your ability to see your friends, hang out with your spouse, hit your gym, do your extracurricular activities that would be enriching for you. Such a different feeling. And if you could do that knowing that you're not hurting them in terms of all the other colleges and all the other stuff, it's really a win-win.